Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a lava lamp, or it's an astro lamp. It is a decorative lamp invented in 1963 by British entrepreneur Edward Craven Walker, the founder of the British lighting company Mathmos. The lamp consists of a bolus of special colored wax mixture inside a glass vessel, the remainder of which contains clear or translucent liquid. In this case, it's a little bit blue. The vessel is placed on a box containing an incandescent light bulb, whose head causes temporary reductions in the density and viscosity of the wax. The warmed wax rises through the surrounding liquid, cools, loses its buoyancy, and falls back to the bottom of the vessel in a circle that is visually suggestive of pāhoehoe lava. Hence the name. The lamps are designed in variety of styles and colors. And in this case, you have a red lava inside and a blue liquid. This classic lava lamp contains the standard incandescent, but in this case it's a halogen lamp which heats a tall glass bottle. And there it is, and it looks beautiful, and it is easy to install. You have one socket, bottom socket, you have one glass bottle, and you have one upper socket. And all these components you have to put together and then get the energy, make the energies work. Then wait a little bit, I think 45 minutes, 1 hour, and then the lava is getting nice and colorful bubbles and nice and easy light. I like it really much. It is like a flower power time at home. Really nice. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and have fun to see this astro lamp is working well. Soon.